if you're into optical illusions and special effects, this tutorial might be for you, because today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool text effect here in Illustrator. Let's select the type tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up, and I'm going to select the Gasoic font, which looks something like this. Right click on the text, create outline. I'm going to right click on group, and I'm going to rearrange the text something like this. Now I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to swap it from fill to stroke. So it's going to be on the stroke. I'm going to click on the stroke, so it's going to be on the top. And I'm going to increase the stroke thickness a little bit more to 3. And I'm going to select the direct selection tool. And I'm going to select the hole in the letter P and click on delete. Same thing with the A and the R. So the whole thing is going to need to be a fill without any holes. Okay, so I'm going to go to the first letter, the letter P. And I'm going to go to the appearance. Let's go to the effects. Let's click on distort and transform. And I'm going to increase the copies some around. I'm going to go with 25. Decrease the horizontal scale and also the vertical. I'm going to try it out with 92 by 92. So this is going to be the default. This is what we need. Click OK. And I'm also going to add a gradient. Let's go to the gradient and let's select it. I'm going to double click on the black. I'm going to go with a purple. Click here in the middle to add another one. Double click. I'm going to go with a magenta, and I'm going to go here with an orange. And from here, I'm going to go up here to the radial gradient, click on it, and I'm going to increase the aspect ratio. Check this out, the colors are also changing and the orange is emphasizing. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to create a graphic style out of this. So right now I'm having it here. If you don't have the graphic style, you can go to Windows and select the graphic style. And all you need to do is just drag the letter P into the graphic style. And from here, I'm going to select the rest of the letters and click on the graphic style that we created. I also going to select the rectangle and create a black background. Right click, arrange, send to back. And now the magic starts from here. I'm going to select the letter P, and let's go back to the appearance here, where the transform is. Click on it. And from here, I'm going to rotate the angle quite a bit. And you also can move it horizontally or vertically. I gotta go something like this, a little bit horizontal maybe, just to see how it's gonna look. Click OK, and you do the same thing with the rest. And check it out, it looks something like this. And you always can go back and modify the distortion transform. So this was it, thanks for watching.